Virgo, kumusta ka? Alam kong matagal mo nang tinatanong sa sarili mo, iniisip pa ba niya ako? Meron pa ba? Today, we're diving deep into your love reading. And let me tell you, the energy today is heavy but in a surprising way. Virgo. Bago tayo mag-start, pakihinga ng malalim. This reading might be the confirmation you've been waiting for. Ang title natin today, Mahal ka pa rin pala niya. Let's see if the cards will say yes or moving on na talaga. The current energy. Unang-una, Virgo, lumabas ang The Hermit. This is your card. Ibig sabihin, lately, nasa healing phase ka. Tahimik ka lang, nagtatrabaho, nagpo-focus sa sarili. Pero itong Tatlo of Swords reversed. Ibig sabihin, the pain is finally easing up. You are healing from the heartbreak. Pero ito ang twist. While you are busy with your Walo of Pentacles, your career and goals, someone from the past is watching. Hindi sila makamove forward ng tuluyan kasi may unfinished business pa sila sa'yo. The big reveal, mahal ka pa ba? Virgo, look at this. The Lovers. Hindi ko ito pwedeng i-sugarcoat. The answer is a resounding lie. Mahal ka pa rin niya. Pero bakit hindi siya lumalapit? Lumalabas dito ang Page of Cups. This person is immature when it comes to emotions. Takot siya. O baka naman, naging masyado kang intimidating nung nag-glow up ka. She is scrolling through your social media, checking if you're happy, but they are too rare or too proud to send that kumusta text. Note to Virgo, ramdam ko ang pride dito. Mataas ang pride ni person Nas, pero gabi-gabi, ikaw ang huling naiisip bago siya matulog. What should you do? Now, the big question, bibigyan mo ba ng chance? Ang advice ng cards for you, Virgo, don't chase, attract. Hayaan mo siyang gumawa ng move. Your energy is too precious para maghabol sa taong nang iwan o nanakit sa'yo. If they come back, siguraduhin mong nagbago na sila. Huwag kang papayag sa breadcrumbing o yung bibigyan ka lang ng konting atensyon, tapos mawawala ulit. You deserve the full loaf, hindi lang mumo. So, Virgo, does this resonate? Isama mo sa comments, I am ready for true love to claim this energy. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang reading na to, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon para updated ka sa ating daily Tagalog Love Tarot. Remember, the cards guide us, but we still hold the steering wheel of our lives. Ingat kayo, Virgo. Mahal ko kayo. Bye!